Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to make a video today on repairing my bicycle pump I got from Aldi's. It's a Schrader pressed to Dunlop. There's my receipt. Little manual came with it. The bike mate. I'll leave a link here for the review I did on it. At any rate, it stopped pumping, so I took it apart. And it's held on up here by two little screws. Like that. Taking one out, so I'll take the other one out. Now, I'm going to take it out with just a Phillips head screwdriver. There's where the screws go in. And the problem was this O-ring. And I first thought it was stretched, but it's not. Although it could be a little bit, but what the problem is, it's rolled. So I went and got a new one, and like I say, I thought it had stretched, so I got a smaller size, and it was too small. I got it the same inside diameter here, which is about 1 3/8, and it was too small. So then I went and got one that's the same size. It's about 1.5 inches. Got it at my local hardware store, Heckler, for 60 cents and 5 cents tax. This has grease on it, so I'm trying to keep from getting grease all over my fingers. But it just basically goes on over this end, and it's loose. Or when you put it in the tube, then it conforms to the inside diameter. And there was some grease on it, so I'm going to put a little bit of grease on here and see how it works. I'm just using some general purpose grease. And there might be a better way to do this, I don't know, but I'm just going to rub it on. Don't know how much it takes. This has holes in the bottom because then it pushes the air into the bottom outlet, I think. I'm pushing it in, you feel some resistance. I can hear air coming out. Okay, it's on. You can hear it coming out. So I think I've got it fixed. It's a nice gauge, and again I'll give a link to my review of it. Got a nice pressure gauge here on it, and several different fittings to put on your where you attach it. I've got this attachment, so that's how you fix simple Aldi's tire pressure pump. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, click the bell to be notified when I add new videos. I've got 250 plus videos, lots of DIY if you're interested, and I'll leave the view of my playlist here at the end of this video so you can see what I've got. This is Old John signing out. Here's my channel. I have lots of playlists. I'll show you here. I do solar systems. I have some spirituality, John Deere mower videos, getting rid of pests in the lawn, Nordic track repairs, computer repairs and reviews of purchases like this laptop I'm showing this video on, review of my Generac power washer and use of it, other power equipment that I get, wood projects. I built a nice center here for the TV and so forth. I have landscape lights, refrigerator repairs, generator hookup and maintenance, and then other interior electrical wiring and so forth projects. Also lawn projects, so lawn equipment and so forth. So if you're interested, click on the bell and subscribe, and give me any comments on any other type of videos you'd like to see also. This is Old John signing out.